Hello, Imaging Spectrum here with the DNP WCM Plus. This revolutionary device not only makes it easy to connect multiple DNP printers, but also supports a variety of print sizes and improves the experience at your events by allowing guests to share their special moments instantly. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and efficiently start the WCM Plus, simplifying photo printing for your events. When you unbox your WCM Plus, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the device, a power supply, and a quick start guide. Setup is very easy. Just connect your DNP printer to the provided power supply, and you're ready to begin. The WCM Plus creates a Wi-Fi access point that devices can easily connect to. This allows smooth printing from any compatible device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. In addition, the DNP WCM Plus is compatible with a wide range of devices and operating systems, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, ensuring that no one is left out of the printing experience. Here we are installing the print cable to the WCM Plus that we will attach to the printer. You can attach the cable to any of the three open ports at this time. Now grab your DNP printer if you have not done so already. Here we have the DNP DS620A. We will now install the print cable into the printer. I am removing the twist tie from my power cord for the WCM Plus to plug the cord into the power source that I have at a distance. As you see here, I have the printer, and I am adding the WCM Plus onto a power strip with a circuit breaker to prevent electrical issues with the printer and WCM Plus. I am now placing the device on top of the printer and turning it around so you can see the printout. Turn on your printer if it is not already on. I loaded the DNP DS620A prior to turning the printer on, so the alignment cut sheets will come out. The datasheet will print out once it is done. The datasheet had the two QR codes on it, one for the hotspot and one for the WCM Plus portal. I will show you how to manually get there on your own with the Windows 11 interface. On the datasheet, the WCM Plus hotspot name is displayed, the version the devices are on, the serial number of the device, and the printer information as well. On your computer, Surface, or iPad, you will navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and add the DNP WCM Plus hotspot. Each hotspot has a different ending info, but they all start the same with WCM Plus dash and the ending info. This has to be done first before typing in the IP address to your web browser. Once you find the Wi-Fi with the correct name, click Connect. You will be prompted to input a password. This password can be found on the Quick Start guide that came in the box. But as of right now, DNP uses the default password of DNP12345 as displayed here. Click Next and the Wi-Fi will pair to your device. Once connected, open your web browser and type in 192.16.8.4.1. The WCM Plus portal will open, then you will need to read through the license agreement and click I accept at the bottom of the form. The printer model will display along with the print kit size and the print count. There is a drop-down arrow. If you click on it, then the serial number of the printer, the firmware, the life counter, and the status of the printer will display. You will have two blue buttons that read Print Settings and Print Test Page. At this time, we will click Print Test Page. The printer begins to print within about 12 to 17 seconds, depending on how far your printer is from our computer or iPad. Now that the print has come out, we know two things. The computer is connected correctly and the printer is working correctly. Let us go back to the WCM Plus portal on our web browser and take a look at other items listed in this portal. In the top left-hand corner, there are three lines. You will click that to pull open the other menu in the portal. You will now have Printers, Device, Network Settings, System Settings, and Resources. There are a bunch of other settings you should read through and set to your personal preference, with all the items listed in here. Today, though, we will only be going over adding a network to provide internet access while your device is connected to the DNP WCM Plus. Click on Network Settings, Hotspot Settings, Wi-Fi connection, Ethernet connection, and Antenna. The configuration will display. Use the drop-down arrow on Hotspot Settings. You can change the hotspot name and password at any time under the hotspot settings, along with the Wi-Fi channel or security protocol. As of right now, I am going to leave these on the default settings for this video. Use the drop-down arrow on Wi-Fi connection. We will now join a Wi-Fi connection to provide internet access for our device by using the drop-down as you see here. If your connection point is not listed, you may need to close this drop-down and click the Scan for Wi-Fi button to find your preferred network. Under the drop-down, I see the name of the network I want to connect to at this time. ISI Guest is what I have selected. Now I am inputting the password for that Wi-Fi and clicking the Join button. Once the WCM Plus has joined the network, there will be an IP address displayed and a yes or no next to internet access. If you are not connected to your internet provider or mobile hotspot, internet access may have no display. We will have a troubleshooting video on why you are getting no internet access in the near future, but at this time, our WCM Plus is connected. Now that we are done with that, we can close out the web browser. Now this allows you to add the printer to your software and/or add print options as a Windows printer. If you have a photo booth software, you will also be able to send emails or text messages if you have it enabled in your software. Go to the settings and look for printers and scanners, or look for devices depending on your software. Once you have it pulled up, you will have to add the device. The available printer sizes should pop up as you see here. Select the ones you would like to add. Depending on your software, you may only be able to add one at a time, as you see here. Once you have the printer size added to your drivers, you should be able to print as you would a regular desktop printer now. We will not be adding the printer to any photo booth software in this video. Please like, share, and follow for future videos on this device and much more.